Good morning students, welcome back to the class. You know what time it is?
It's my time, ma'am.
Yes, in today's class we will be learning whether the two given numbers are multiple and factors of each other by division method. We are having a pair of numbers 72 and 9. So let us check by division method. Bigger number 72 is dividend and the smaller number 9 is the divisor. Now let us check the table of 9 where 72 comes. 9 8s are 72. 72 minus 72, 0. So yes, when it is fully divisible, the smaller number is the factor and the bigger number is the multiple. So here 9 is the factor of 72 and 72 is the multiple of 9. When two numbers are fully divisible, smaller number is always the factor and bigger number is always the multiple of smaller number. Let us go to B part. Here two numbers are given, 81 and 8. Let us divide. By table of 8, 8 ones are 8. Copy 1 down, 8 zeros are 0. Here remainder is 1, that means it is not fully divisible. So we can conclude the smaller number 8 is not the factor of 81 and 81 is also not the multiple of 8. 8 is not factor of 81 and 81 is not multiple of 8. Let us check the next example. 594 divided by 11. 3-digit number divided by 2-digit number. 594. Dividend and 11 is divisor. Which table will work? 11 5s are 55. Subtract 9 minus 5 4. 5 minus 5 0. Copy 4 down. It becomes 44. 11 4s are 44. 44 minus 44, 0. So yes, here remainder is 0. So thus we can conclude the smaller number 11 is the factor of bigger number 594 and 594 bigger number is multiple of 11. Thus 11 is the factor of 594 and 594 is the multiple of 11. So I hope you have understood that how to check from whether two given numbers are multiple and factor of each other or not when it is fully divisible. So yes, always smaller number is factor of bigger number and bigger number is always multiple of smaller number. Continuing further, now we will be seeing how to find all the factors of a given number. A number is given, you have to find all the factors. Now as you know, 1 is the smallest factor of every number, each and every number. So we will be starting with number 1. So we have to check out all the tables where the number is divisible, fully divisible. Starting with the table of 1. 1 multiplied by 24 is 24. Now check the next table. We will go in increasing order, not random. Okay. So table of 2. 2 multiplied by 12 is 24. Now go to table of 3. 3 7s are 21. 3 8s are 24. So 3 8s are 24. Table of 4. 4 5s are 20. 4 6s are 24. So 4 6s are 24. Now table of 5. In table of 5, 24 does not come. So now go to table of 6. 6 4s are 24. Here you observe that 4 6s are 24. 6 4s are 24 is repetition of the pair. So when you get the repetition of the pair, there only you have to stop. We have got all the factors. Now these factors we are going to represent in the form of U. Increasing order. Starting from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. So these are the factors of 24. We are going to write in the increasing order. So that's why when we make this shape, it is called U method. For better understanding, you can remember it as a U method. Factors of 24 equals to, we are going to write it in the increasing order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. So these all are the factors of 24. Now going to the next, let us take the next number 30. Let us check out. 30 is even number, so yes, it will be divisible by 2. Smallest factor is 1. So starting with the table of 1, 1 times 30. 130 is a 30. Next, table of 2. Even number, so yes, we can judge it will be divisible by 2. 2 multiplied by 15 is 30. Next table is 3. 3 tens are 30. Next table is 4. 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32. 30 does not come. Going to the next table, table of 5. 5 6 are 30. Next table is 6. 6 5s are 30. Here it is the repetition of the pair. 5 6 are 30, 6 5s are 30. So when you get the repetition, there only you have to stop and make it a U in increasing order. So write down factors of 30 equals to 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. You observe the smallest factor is 1 and the greatest factor is 30, number itself. Here also you observe the smallest factor is 1 and the greatest factor is number itself 24. So always the smallest factor of a number is 1 and the greatest factor is always the number itself. Let us check out the one more example. The number 23. Right? Starting with the table of 1. 1 multiplied 23 is 23. It's an odd number, so it won't be divisible by table of 2. Going to table of 3. 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 23 does not come. Table of 4, it's an odd number, won't go. Table of 5, 23 does not come. Table of 6, 23 does not come. Table of 7, again 23 does not come. Table of 8, 8 to the 16, 8 3 is 24, 23 does not come. So when you keep on checking, there is no other factor of 23. It is divisible by 1 and number itself only. No other factor of 23. So factors of 23 equals to 1 and 23. 1 is the smallest factor and number itself is the factor of 23. So those numbers which are having factor just 1 and number itself are called prime numbers. And these numbers which are having more than factor 1 and itself are called composite number. So these two numbers are having factors more than 1 itself. So these are composite numbers. And 23 is having factor 1 and number itself. So it is a prime number. Let us take one more example. B part. Number 51. Starting with the table of 1. 1 multiplied by 51 is 51. Table of 2, it's an odd number. So table of 2 won't work. Table of 3, let us check. If you cannot go mentally, then you have to divide. Only option is to divide. If you can go mentally, very good. If you cannot go mentally, then you have to divide. 3 multiplied by 17 is 51. If you know the table of 17, very good. Otherwise, you divide. 51 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3. 2 left. 1 copy down. 3 sevens are 21. So 3 multiplied by 17 is 51. Any other factor? Table of 4, 51 does not come. Table of 5, table of 6, table of 7. You keep on checking. No other table 51 comes. So here only it ends. Make it a U in increasing order. Factors of 51 equals to 1, 3, 17 and 51. So I hope you have understood how to find the factors, all the factors of a given number using U method. So you can remember it as a U method. Okay, thank you. Keep practicing.